My name is Mirella, but you can call me Nanna. I have 11 grandchildren. Yeah, I love them all. I know having fun. But sometimes I pretend. I was born in Venezuela, but I married at 18. When I got married, I came to Australia. When I came from Venezuela, nobody, my family was with me in here. No mama, no sister, no brother, nobody. I miss Venezuela sometimes. My family, my sister, my brothers. I'm much lonely Italian because my mother-in-law was another girl. You are black? I can say nothing because I can't speak Italian. When I'm upset, cook make me happy. Because when you make cooking, you don't think anything else. You think what you cook. When I come to Australia, I can cook Spanish food, but I don't find any ingredient in Australia. But there, I can find it everywhere. I love cooking for my family. All the food I make is beautiful for share. When my grandchildren come to learn to cook with me, to make me happy. No gasto nothing, George.